Hello everyone, my name is Griffin Swanson and I'm the channel product manager here at Professional Advantage for our company data archive module built for Microsoft Dynamics GP. We're creating a series of videos here breaking down the features and functionality of company data archive, which you can find on our YouTube page. Today's video is going to have a focus of showing you how you should be planning your upcoming archives. Now, in order to do that here, we're in the admin area of Dynamics GP. If you scroll down on the utilities section here, you see we have a feature that is called Company Data Archive Data Distribution and Sizes. Now, what this allows us to do here is calculate the number of years that we've been on GP and showing us the disk space for each year that our product can ultimately archive. So for today's example here, everyone, I'm just going to calculate the last 5 years. Now bear with me everyone, this is my demo environment here, so I don't actually have any live customer information or data coming into my GP environment, but ultimately you can see it's broken down the last 5 years that I've calculated for, showing me the disk space within each year. So that right off the bat is going to give us an understanding of where most of our data is held within each particular year that we've been on GP. Now to get a better understanding of each module here, we can actually break down each year as well, showing us the disk space within those modules. And we can even go one step further, showing the actual row counts within those tables as well. Now, there's a lot going on here, obviously. It's going to give you that information and the disk space as to which modules you should be archiving. But to get a better visual representation of this, we can actually export this data here into an Excel document. You can see that here at the top of this window. And I've actually exported some customer information and data here today. So let me pull open that spreadsheet. And as you can see for this customer, their data was growing exponentially by year. And it made sense for them to archive their general ledger data, their receivables management, sales order processing, and maybe some inventory. So the product is going to let you pick and choose which modules you want to archive and their cutoff date. So for example, everyone, let's say your company needed to keep 5 years of general ledger data in your live production company, but you only needed to keep 2 years of receivables data. You can slice it that way, and the product really gives you a lot of flexibility there. So for example here, when you go to actually plan your archives, I'll pull open the archiving window here. You can see we can pick and choose which modules we want to archive here with this transfer and remove button while setting a specific cutoff date. So this data distribution and sizes window is really designed here to give your team a better idea of where most of your data is held within specific years and specific modules to give you a better idea of how you should be planning out your archives. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Company Data Archive or have questions for us, you can reach out to us at professionaladvantage.com and submit a form on our contact page.